Welcome back to our Great Loop Cruising adventure. I'm Jennifer and my husband Jim are looping along on the Gulf Intercoastal Waterway. Climb aboard to visit the Forgotten Coast in Apalachicola. We will be eating plenty of oysters, visiting the historic town with plenty of shops, galleries, and restaurants just steps away from our boat from the city dock. Apalachicola means land of friendly people. You're going to fall in love. We're leaving behind the Gulf County Canal and getting back on the ICW. Look at those trees up ahead. You see some changing colors. We're going to go up here and heading east, but there is a dock that I guess people used to go there for overnight. Coming up on the White City dock. A lot of people used to pull in here for the night, but they changed the whole marina around. There's no longer a big dock that was in the center. Now it is a floating dock, not suitable for big boats. You can see, I'll zoom in. The dock here is more for the boats that are using the boat ramp. Dock there. And then there's a small one right here. No idea what the... right here. There it is. This is Justin River. It's a great anchorage. You can get in there. We were supposed to anchor there the other night, but we had engine troubles, went into Port St. Joe. So I know that a vessel that had a 5-foot draft had anchored up in there. Here we are at the city dock in Apalachicola. If you're approaching from the west, make sure that you do not cut the shoal, that you go all the way down to the junction buoy and then come in. Welcome to the city dock in Apalachicola, right at the Water Street and Avenue E. The two sailboat owners are going to come over and grab our lines. Boaters Helping Boaters is wonderful. Jim and I are excited to explore the city. Check out our home for the night. Right here by the Christmas tree. We had some people help us tie up. So the pilings are outside of the dock, so we just put some horizontal fenders up and we are all set. Check out that Christmas tree. Got shrimp boats. There's the motor vessel Cetus. Oysters. This is where the river meets the bay. We're in Apalachicola. Need to eat some oysters. Jim's oysters are gone. Now it's my turn. He had 6. I have a dozen. He's counting them. Alright, after a few dozen oysters at the station, raw bar, I think we were all set for quite a while. There's a raw bar, the tap house, the Owl Cafe. This is a very nice sit-down white linen restaurant. We're heading for the Christmas tree at the dock. Good morning from Apalachicola, Florida. It is just a Hazy day this morning. We're heading to low tide, so we're not going to head out until it's 7 right now, and I think Jim says we're going to head out about 10. Let's start the morning off with High Cotton Marketplace. There's a kitchen store here. They have so many cute things with the oyster shells. Everything's ready for Christmas. They have a jewelry store. But where am I heading? Cafe con Leche, and on down further there's a gallery. So let's go in and check out what they have. That pastry. So as you're walking along and you got your coffee from the coffee shop, you can come here and it's biscuits. Get your fresh biscuits. Isn't this so cute? They have biscuits with, let me zoom in so you can see the menu. That's so cool. All right, no storage of bacon here. Don't tell my husband I did this. He's on the boat cooking breakfast right now. I really like the shop. We went in last night and they have all types of crafts. Beautiful. You can't do any type of photography inside the store. Little oyster Christmas trees. Cute. Do you have kids on board? Here's postcards to Santa. Stop by the visitor center, which is here at 17 Avenue E, and you can pick up your postcards. Right ahead is the city dock, the Apalachicola Bee Company. I'm just having a great time walking. I didn't go out running this morning. I really think the shrimp net Christmas tree needs a parrot. I have one sitting on the back patio on the boat. There's Jolly Rogers on the bow, standing guard, keeping in watch. Thank you for joining us on our cruise to Apalachicola. We had a wonderful time eating oysters, walking around town, visiting the town shops, the art galleries, and so much more. The shrimp net Christmas tree at the city dock was spectacular. Great way to kick off our holiday season. Thank you for being here, clicking like and subscribing. Leave us a comment. It just turned and looked at me. All right, there's still 4. I'm gonna just got me wet. Hello. Let's come over here. There may be more over here too. The port side of